Blockhead. Who is he? Well, nobody knows, but stay tuned. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel. This is Moto Rob, and this video is about people that got me into riding or motovlogging. And this next one is going to be a big one. A Blockhead. I started following him on YouTube when I started trying to get a Harley Sportster, and I said it in another video, but I really hadn't ridden that much on the street before, never owned a street bike, but wanted a Harley, and Sportster is what I wanted. And he had I believe a 2013 Iron 883, and he did videos on the YouTube, all the YouTubes on his Harley, a lot of how-to videos and a lot of different kind of content that he put out on a weekly basis, and it really helped me do two things. Helped me submit the fact that I did want a Sportster, and number two, it helped get me into riding. He did some how-to videos about how to ride a motorcycle and kind of do's and don'ts and what he's always doing when he's on a motorcycle. And on top of that, I don't care who you say, what everybody says about Sportsters, they're awesome bikes. You know, they're not ideal for going long distance or riding two up, but if you want to hop on a motorcycle and just cruise and have a good time and enjoy yourself, a Sportster is an awesome bike. So anyways, I started watching his channel right at about 15,000 subscribers he had on his channel. And you know, he's gone through a bunch of different bikes. He's had a Iron 883. He bought a Yamaha R6 and rode that for a while. He bought I think a Honda CBR 1000 RR Super Sport. He traded in his Iron 883 on a 2017 Dyna Lowrider S. Rode that for a bit. Then he traded that in for FXDR when it came out. And he's back on a brand new Softail Lowrider S. He also has a Honda Grom, and so anyways, I could go on, but he's got a lot of different motorcycles that he's had or does have. And another thing about his videos is they're very engaging. He's got a good personality, and as of right now, I think he has 301,000 subscribers. And when it comes to motovlogging, I think he's got it down right. He actually helped. His video was the one that helped me set up my motovlogging gear, believe it or not. So, you know, all I could do was thank him. So I'm making a video about Blockhead. Now, nobody knows who he is, and there's a good reason behind that. He never shows his face, and the big joke around it is, when are you going to do a face reveal? Do a face reveal. Well, he says he doesn't show his face because, well, he doesn't want to have anything that he does on YouTube interfere with his regular job, which makes sense. Like, who wants to screw with their regular income based off of a hobby, which is turning out to be, I'm pretty sure, a big source of income. He's got a Patreon set up, and he does motorcycle builds and giveaways. So at first he started off with a Iron A83 giveaway, bobbed it out, built it up, gave it away. Did a Honda Grom, and he blockheaded it out. He loves his black and gold, and kind of made it into a little Grom scrambler. It was pretty awesome. And he also built that a 48, Sportster 48, and again he bobbed it out and really turned out really nice. Put some kinetic exhaust on it and everything, and right now he's giving away a 2017 Lowrider S that he's building out, and the next season, each season lasts about 6 months, he's got 3 motorcycles he's giving away. 3. Right? I never could imagine. You know, I'm happy with my one motorcycle. I think that my one motorcycle is awesome. It is awesome. I don't have enough room in my garage for having 3 motorcycles on top of all the other ones he owns. So anyways, he is a guy that really got me into riding in a sense, and also into motovlogging. It really is something that you could tell is a passion for him, and for me it's a passion as well. I love doing this. I love making content. I love finding out different ways to edit a video and trying new things out. The thing with Blockhead though is he's been doing it for about 5 years, I believe, and god dang. Whoa. And he just keeps on going. So Blockhead, I'm telling you what, I gotta give you much props, mad props for helping me figure out this motovlogging thing. And I'm not perfect at it by any means. I'm still learning. I'm still learning. I thought I was gonna have a red light still. But yeah, he definitely brings a lot to YouTube. He does a lot of different meetups in Florida. That's where he's from, Orlando, Florida. And one of these days I want to kind of see if I could get a road trip out there and go to one of these meetup events for him and personally thank him. I know he must hear it quite a bit. I know he says that, you know, it means a lot to him, which no doubt it must mean a lot to him. He started off just making videos just for fun, and he still does them for fun, but he's kind of made a business about it, and that's something that I really want to look into doing. Everybody starts somewhere. I know my first videos, and this video right now will be nothing as far as quality wise compared to what it will be in about a year from now, because everybody advances, everybody skill set changes. Dangerous intersection. anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a little link over here. Fail. Top right corner, folks. Top right corner. Like I said, I'm new to this stuff. Anyways, his channel, check him out. Tell him Motor Rob sent you. And I don't know. I don't think he's gonna do anything, but still. If you like what you see, go ahead, like and subscribe. Hit that like button down there, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and if you're interested in what I have as far as my motovlog setup, I have it in the description. Peace out, y'all.